3 tips to secure your Zoom meetings. Many are now using the online meeting service Zoom to conduct business and collaborate. Here are 3 tips to keep you safe when using the online meeting platform. Number 1. Always use a password. Zoom allows you to create meetings with no password. This might make the system easier to use, but it's a security risk that can end with uninvited guests joining your meetings. Number 2. Enable the waiting room feature. Zoom now allows you to have a waiting room for your guests. This feature is useful to filter out uninvited guests if you choose not to use a password or if someone gets hold of your Zoom meeting URL. Number 3. Be careful who you share your screen with. When in an online meeting, anyone on the call could be recording the meeting without your knowledge. If you have sensitive company data, it's always worth thinking twice before pressing the Share Screen button. If you would like more information on how to secure your online meetings, click the link below.